$30 an hour, no degree, no office, no boss standing over your shoulder, just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and one skill most people never bother to learn. 5 jobs, all remote, all real. Let's go. Everyone's applying to the same 10 remote jobs on LinkedIn. Getting the same position has been filled email. Meanwhile, these 5 skills are quietly paying $30, $40, sometimes $80 an hour, and almost nobody's learning them because they sound boring on paper. They're not boring, they're just underrated. Job number 1, AI workflow consultant. Pay $40 to $80 an hour. Every business right now is trying to use AI and has no idea what they're doing. They don't need a coder. They need someone who understands how to actually talk to AI tools and build workflows that save them time. That's it. That's the entire job. How you start? Learn to use ChatGPT and Claude beyond basic prompts, actual automations, connecting tools together, building repeatable systems, free resources everywhere. Practice on your own projects first, then package it as a service for small businesses. This skill barely existed 2 years ago. Right now, the competition is almost zero. Job number 2, podcast producer. Pay $30 to $55 an hour. There are millions of podcasts. Almost every host hates editing their own episodes. You listen, cut the dead air, clean the audio, write the show notes, upload it. Done. How you start? Pick any free episode online, practice editing it in a free tool like Descript or CapCut, post the before and after as your portfolio. Message podcasters directly. Most of them are one DM away from hiring someone. This is one of the easiest remote skills to prove in under a week. Job number 3, email copywriter. Pay $35 to $70 an hour. Businesses make real money from email. A good email sequence can generate thousands in sales. That's why companies pay well for someone who can write emails that actually get opened and clicked. How you start? Study high-converting email sequences from newsletters you're already subscribed to. Write 3 sample emails for a business you admire, even if they didn't ask. Send it to them. That single move gets more clients than any job application ever will. Job number 4, community manager. Pay $25 to $45 an hour. Every creator with a paid community, every online course, every membership group needs someone running the day-to-day. Answering questions, keeping people engaged, running events. How you start? Join communities you're already part of. Start being the most helpful person in there. Creators notice. Most community manager jobs never even get posted publicly. They go to whoever's already showing up. Job number 5, startup research analyst. Pay $30 to $50 an hour. Startups need fast answers. Who are our competitors? Who should we be targeting? What are people saying about us online? You're not writing code. You're not managing anything. You're finding information and packaging it clearly. How you start? Pick a small startup. Do unpaid research on their competitors. Send them a clean 1-page summary. It sounds too simple to work. It works constantly because most people never take the first step. Look at what all 5 actually have in common. None of them needed a degree. None of them needed years of experience. Every single one of them just needed you to learn a skill that most people assume requires more than it actually does. The truth is, the skill was never the hard part. The hard part is that most people quit before they send the first message, post the first sample, or offer the first free piece of work. The jobs are sitting right there, untouched, because everyone's scrolling past them looking for something that sounds more impressive. You don't need a degree to make $30 an hour. You need one skill, one laptop, and the willingness to start before you feel ready. If this gave you even one idea worth trying, follow for more of these nobody's talking about.